911, what's your emergency? 0933 5632.
Cancer is the leading cause of death for firefighters, and when we're looking at the direct causes, PFAS is one of the largest reasons for some of the cancers that we're seeing. So eliminating that risk for our firefighters is extremely important to us. We prioritize the health and wellness of our firefighters, and knowing that we're taking that out of the equation while still protecting the community, that's really, really important. That's top of mind for all of us.
Anything we can do to minimize or eliminate cancer-causing products to our firefighters is essential for us. For the community, if we can eliminate spraying those forever chemicals on their possessions, then we're just doing our job to help keep them safe as well.
They're called forever chemicals because they last forever. They just don't break down. As that would seep into the groundwater, obviously that's going to affect the community. It's going to affect the people that live there. And while we can't eliminate that because it's in a lot of products that we use, at least for us, we know that we're no longer putting that into the environment. Even though it was being used to potentially save homes and lives, that's not worth the risk long term.
As a small district, it was vital that we had access to this program, and we're very grateful for it. Just based on our limited budget, we didn't know how we were going to dispose of the AFFF and other PFAS chemicals that we had on our trucks. We took them off 3 years ago, and it's just been sitting in storage since then. Honestly, I'm not sure how or when we could have gotten rid of it.
We had 275 gallons that we no longer were utilizing because of the risk. And a truck easily pulled up, loaded it, and unloaded that F500 that we'll now be able to distribute to our trucks.
Being involved in this program was so essential and critical for us to get rid of these chemicals.
As someone who's been in the fire service for over 20 years and have watched friends be diagnosed with cancer, knowing that there's people out there that care enough to replace these foams and anything that we're determining as a cancer-causing agent, and that being on top of mind for them, it just means a lot. So I for one am grateful, and I know everyone here at AFFF is grateful for the opportunity to not have that exposure anymore, and also to continue to keep the community safe with the tools that we need.